it's me back in my channel and in your YouTube with a new series that is Cook With Me. This is the episode 1, but before starting to like, share and subscribe. Today I am going to make spicy corn chat, so let's begin. The first thing I did here is I took the corn and removed its seed and kept it aside, as you can see in this video now. Next, pour some water and boil it. After boiling the corn, I have added salt, spicy powder, various sauces and also the chaat masala. Then it's the time to mix. Let's mix it. Last but not the least, let's squeeze lemon and it's finally ready. And I enjoyed it by watching sunset. Hope you liked the video. Follow for more such contents. Bye.